Learn how methods define actions in C#. Understand how to write methods, pass parameters, and return values for reusable and efficient code design. You've learned how methods work in C#. They let you define reusable actions, pass parameters, and return values to make programs efficient and dynamic. What are methods? Methods are actions defined inside a class that an object can perform. They can take inputs, parameters, and provide outputs, return values. Parameters in methods. Parameters let you pass information to methods when you call them, making them flexible and reusable for different inputs. Returning values. Methods can return a value using the return keyword, which allows the caller to use the result of the method's execution. Overloading methods. You can define multiple methods with the same name but different parameters. This is called method overloading and allows more flexibility. Real-life example. Methods are essential for handling repetitive tasks like calculations or processing data. They help keep your code clean and easy to maintain. Methods are the actions that bring your classes to life. With parameters and return values, they make your code more interactive and reusable, solving problems efficiently.